Let's take a quick look at how to configure call extensions in Google Ads. This is also called a call asset. They've changed the name. But essentially, to get here, you want to log into Google Ads, go to campaigns, and then select a campaign. So I've already done that. Then you'll find the call extensions in the assets. Again, they're called call assets now. So Google has actually changed the name. But from here, we can set up a new one or configure an existing one, right? And you can actually do this at the account level, the campaign level, or even the ad group level. So you can vary the phone number depending on the given situation. But to create a new one, you just click right here. I've actually selected the call asset here so that it's only showing call assets. But we can add one here. It's going to default to this because I've actually already selected call assets from here. So that's the easiest way to do it, is select call asset here, then click here. Then it will allow you to just put your phone number in. And then this is where you can also configure the call asset or the call extensions. You can set it at the campaign level, the account level, or at the ad group level. So that's what I was explaining before. I typically like to do it at the campaign level. And then put the phone number in. So whatever it is, 555, 555, 555, whatever the phone number is. And I like to also use the format that they provide here. This is the typical phone number format that people are used to. It's actually designed very specifically to make it easier to memorize, at least in the United States, or easier to like digest and memorize and everything. So, and then you can choose the conversion action. So you can trace this down to a specific conversion action. Usually you can just leave the default one on. It's going to be like calls from ads, right? And that's just the action where Google's going to be able to track conversions, which is when people call you. We can increase or decrease the bid adjustment for call interactions, which essentially just is like trying to get more calls. Essentially, it will explain it in detail here. You can even click learn more to get the full in-depth breakdown. And then there are some advanced options too. You can set a specific schedule. This is extremely beneficial if your staff is only available to answer calls during a certain time period. But you might have like 24-hour chat support on your website, for instance. Then you can just send traffic to your website with this phone number, or send traffic to this phone number, meaning show this phone number on your ad during certain time frames. And you can use like let's say it's on Mondays from this time and Tuesdays during this time. You can get really granular with this, or you can leave it pretty broad. However you want to set that up. But those are going to be the main configurations for your call extensions or call assets, depending on how you want to call it. No pun intended. And that's basically it. But if there is anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.